Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to unlock your iPhone. This is the iPhone 3G. So in case you guys miss on how to get your free unlock code from AT&T, I will try to give you guys a link within the description or toward the end of this video. Alright. So as you can see, I already got my unlock code already. I requested. So on the instruction it says you must insert a non-AT&T cards in here. So as you can see, I got the T-Mobile SIM card right here. So after that, you will need required to do a factory restore. So we're gonna use the iTunes. So make sure you have a latest update on the iTunes, and then we're gonna do a factory restore on this phone. So you gotta connect your data cable. I'm gonna connect it to my MacBook. So it says iPhone. Let me try to turn out the light. So it says fail to activate. I'm gonna press OK. I should take out the lock option on the phone first. So as you can see, when your phone is locked and not activated, it won't allow you to go to your home screen. Okay, all it does is 911 emergency call only, or it just give you the iTunes symbol with the cable. So I'm gonna put my AT&T back. See, without the SIM card, it will not ask you to activate. So actually, I don't need to put my SIM card in. I'm going to go to setting, take out the key lock option on that. Okay, let's see. So it says, congratulations, your iPhone has been unlocked. So whenever I just plug in the phone, so it says press continue. So as you can see, after I put the T-Mobile SIM card and while the phone got unlocked on the iTunes, And this is what it says, waiting for activation. This may take some time, but I know my the T-Mobile SIM card is not activated, so I'm just going to dismiss it. So before the phone was locked, it just shows the iTunes with the cable plugging symbol on there. So after it's finished unlocking, and you get full access to the menu now, okay? So now the phone is fully unlocked right now. So hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video and then subscribe. If you guys are new, please be sure to hit that notification bell. So whenever I drop new and latest video, you guys can check them out right away. All right. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out.